Hello everyone and welcome to the Urban Kitchen. Today we shall be making a side dish with ivy gourd, also known as tindora, tindoli or tondli in Marathi. We are going to be making this the Konkani way. So for that we need to make a suka masala. For the suka masala we need some grated coconut. This is dry grated coconut. 2 tablespoons of urad dal and the same quantity of coriander seeds. Then we have 4 to 5 dried red chilies, and this is roasted chana dal. So roasted chana dal, urad dal and coriander seeds are in the same quantity. Apart from this, we'll only need mustard seeds from our masaledan, some jaggery powder, salt to taste, oil, curry patta and tamarind concentrate. Let's begin by cooking our ivy gourd pieces. So basically each ivy gourd was chopped into 4 vertical pieces and that's it. So we are taking around 3 spoonfuls of groundnut oil. To this we'll add mustard seeds. Wait till they crackle though. As the mustard seeds start to crackle, we are going to add our curry patta. To this we are going to add our ivy gourd pieces. Give it a good mix. To this we are going to add very little water and cook this for 10 minutes. So while the ivy gourd is cooking, we are going to make our suka masala. So in order to do that, we need to dry roast all the suka masala ingredients. So the grated coconut, roasted chana dal, urad dal and coriander seeds, dry red chilies. We're just going to dry roast all of this till we get a soothing aroma. Keep the flame low and keep mixing your dry ingredients. A very nice aroma starts to waft out of the skillet. Remember, we are not adding any oil to this. The coconut is oozing out oil as we roast it. So there's no need to add any extra oil to our ingredients. We just have to dry roast them. Now that the ingredients are well roasted, we are going to leave them to cool down. When they cool down, we shall grind them into a masala powder. As the ingredients have cooled off, we are just going to add them to a mixer pot and grind them to a fine powder. All the masalas are nicely ground to a powder. We are going to add this to ivy gourd pieces after they are well cooked. Our ivy gourd has roughly cooked for 12 to 13 minutes. It's nice and soft. We like our tindora to be soft. If you like a bite to it, like a little chewy, you can stop at 10 minutes. No need to overcook it. To this we are going to add jaggery, like a little jaggery powder, roughly 1 teaspoon, and some tamarind concentrate. If you don't have the concentrate, you can add the tamarind to your masala. Like you can grind dry tamarind pieces with your masala and then add that to this. Let's give it a quick mix. Once it's thoroughly mixed, we're going to add our sukka masala and salt to taste. Finally, we're going to add the sukka masala. Since they were all dry masalas, absolutely nothing will stick to your mixer pot. So make sure you get all of it. And once you add it, give it a good mix. Add salt to taste. And maybe just for a minute or two, cook it on a very low flame and serve hot. Our Ivy Guard side dish is now ready. We've made this preparation in Konkani style like you saw. You can enjoy this with parathas, with roti, with dal chawal, with bhakri, with ragi roti, any flat bread. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like our channel on YouTube, subscribe to our page on Instagram, share this recipe with your friends and family, and do keep coming back for more such yummy, tasty, simple recipes. Thank you.